In this video, we will introduce some features about noise rejection. First, color gain. If you want to highlight small targets or create a higher intensity display of targets' weak echoes, use color gain. In this video, we will use Aquamap 1222 XSV for demonstration. From Sonar View, press Menu. Sonar Setup. Appearance. Color gain. Color gain adjusts the intensity of colors on the sonar screen. Increase it to make your target's echoes look stronger. Be aware that a higher color gain setting will decrease the clarity near the bottom. The high-intensity returning echoes from the bottom are likely to cover the targets nearby. Next, color filter. Echoes from different objects may be displayed in different colors. In such cases, you can use color filter to hide the unwanted colors to focus on your targets. From Sonar View, press Menu. Sonar Setup. Noise Reject. Color Filter. Select the colors you want to hide. Now the specific target fish can be seen easily. Lastly, color limit. If the sonar screen is filled with noise consisting of weak echoes, use color limit. From Sonar View, press Menu. Sonar Setup. Noise Reject. Color Limit. Color limit removes weak echoes and makes the sonar screen cleaner, so you can see targets more easily. Increase it to hide weak echoes that are displayed from blue to green. You can see that weak signals are removed. And that's it. For more help, please watch our other marine videos. Thanks for watching.